guys, we're gonna be trying Trader Joe's snacks. First is ice cream. This is coconut chocolate. That is not good. It's like non-dairy and like dark chocolate.
I need it because my mouth hurts.
Shadow isn't pulled out. I say 6 out of 10.
Like a 7, it's not that bad.
These are these mini like Reese's knockoffs. I think they're like healthy though. They're good. Next, I'm most excited for this. They're like everything but the bagel seasoning potato chip.
I think I've had these before and they...
I recommend. Next are chips and guac. This is guaca salsa. And then we got these like different colored corn tortilla chips. Yeah. These were definitely my favorite. What was yours?
I like the chips and guac.
Bye guys, we're gonna go get a drink. Subscribe!